Magnolia Soap just opened. We're at the corner of Commercial and Main Street in Broken Arrow. Such a cool store. So I've stopped in. I'm going to meet up with Sally and we're going to talk about all the amazing things that Magnolia Soap has to offer right after this. If you're new here, my name's Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams, serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to make a move to Oklahoma, whether it's now or in the future, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. Without further ado, let's go in and check out Magnolia Soap and meet up with Sally. This store is pretty fabulous, and I just wanted Sally to share a little bit about Magnolia. So how long has it been around? It's the first time I've heard of it.
Well, Scotty Lawrence is the owner of Magnolia's, and she is a franchise. This is her third store. The other two have been open for 3 years.
Okay.
We just opened on Black Friday. Brand new store.
Exciting. And so we are in Broken Arrow. So we're on Main Street on, I think this is Commercial?
And,
okay.
Yeah,
Commercial and Main. And you guys have like 3 locations, I think you said, right?
Yes. On Cherry Street, and then at the Woodland Mall, and then here.
Awesome, awesome. Well, it smells amazing in here, and I do love the decor. It's very, it's like that shabby chic,
it really
like
is.
Industrial, but I think it looks really good with soap. So congratulations to whoever did all of the interior design. It's super pretty.
That is the owner.
So I pulled some things I just thought we'd talk about. So you mentioned something. Obviously, we sell hand soap and all kinds of sweet smelling bath bombs.
Yes.
But then you said you also sell laundry soap, or laundry wash, I guess this is called. So tell me about that. There was something kind of cool with it.
It is. You can come in, pick your scent. We do have some that are already scented, but you can come in, pick a scent. We do have our top that's up there, but you can pick any scent you want. We make it for you. It's only 2 tablespoons per wash. You can bring it back with the container and get 10% off.
That's awesome. So I love the recycling. And then also Christmas time at the time of this video. So you have little gift baskets. I assume you can do something like this even if it's not Christmas, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
We can do that up for you.
We have options like this. There's smaller versions, whatever your needs are. But another really cool thing that you guys do is I'm noticing you've got a whole creation station over here. So tell me about that, Sally.
Since we just opened, it won't be until probably January, but we do make, you can come in and have a party, or just one of you or 2 of you, but you can make candles, you can make soap, bath bombs, steamers.
Oh, wow.
And it's a great thing. It's fun, laughs.
I can imagine. Like, I think those kinds of like crafty get together ideas. I think the painting started it all, but now I'm seeing, of course, candles and all kinds of stuff like that. So I think that's really cool. And making soap is such a unique thing that I think could be really fun for a lot of people. Something cool I came across here. These, I thought it was just soap, but I've been informed, not just soap. So what are these, Sally?
This is conditioner, and then we have shampoo.
That is really cool. So tell me, how does it work? Like
it's really good for your hair. You just get in the shower, get it wet. We do have little like sleeves that you can put it in, and it'll make it last longer. Or you just take it, section out your hair, put it in there. They last, depending on how thick your hair is, but I'm going to say 30 to 45 days.
Very cool.
And great stuff in there. I mean, everything is plant-based here.
I saw that.
All
so you have a little sign over there that
oils.
says kids care. So is that no chemicals?
No chemicals, no parabens, anything.
Very cool. And like you said, you guys make everything that you see is made by hand.
Made by hand here in store.
That's really cool. So obviously fresh, but then how long can someone expect, just as an example? So these probably are most common are these bars of soap right here.
Yes.
So like how long does a typical bar last?
I'm gonna say it can last a month and a half to 2 months, as long as you don't leave it sitting in water.
Sure. Well, and you guys also sell the little soap trays as well too.
As well, or little stands.
Awesome. Well, and everything smells great. So I got to go mingle around and smell some more stuff, but amazing.
Thank you. It is amazing.
These are shower steamers. Now I don't know what this is either. So you're gonna have to educate me, Sally.
So you're gonna put it in the shower. Not directly in water, but maybe towards the back, and we have menthol in all of them.
Okay.
So it's gonna release that.
So it help with maybe sinus issues. Okay.
Or And it's just very calming. We have lavender, we have
Awesome.
eucalyptus, just some really great smells. But it'll last.
So it can get wet. So maybe just put it on the edge or
Right, just on the edge, or it can get wet. You just don't want to have it directly in the shower water.
This is really cool. I didn't know these existed.
Yes. Yeah, they're really good if you're sick or like you're sore, your muscles are sore, something like that.
I mean, I have like a lot of allergies, so
Yes.
I may have to get one of these myself.
Yes. Yep.
Very cool.
They're awesome.
And you also mentioned candles. So people can make candles here, but you guys sell candles. So I saw some over here. You've got lots of pre-made
different
just gift
scents,
ones.
yes.
And then you also have little
Room sprays.
like room sprays, like air fresheners,
Yep.
stuff like
Yep.
that. Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing. And
Thank
if you
you.
haven't been to Magnolia Soap, come check it out. Again, the Broken Arrow location where we are right now is on, is it Commercial?
Commercial
and Main. So really great store, lots of great gifts, really for everybody. You also have a men's scents as well. So
Yes.
it's not just a woman's store, but come check it out. You won't be disappointed. So many cool things. Magnolia Soap, I've got lots of cool goodies for friends and family. So remember, Christmas is right around the corner, so it could be the perfect place for something for everyone on your list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more local content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.